Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kadence theme. Go to Appearance Kadence and begin in Global Settings to set typography and layout. Start by importing a starter template, then adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. Customize header and footer next using the header builder and transparent options. Preview on mobile and desktop, test menus, and save changes often to avoid accidental loss while you refine the design. Open Global Settings to pick fonts, font sizes, and color palettes that match your brand voice. Use the header builder to assemble logo, menu, and button placements, then tweak spacing and sticky behavior. Customize container widths and blog layouts for better readability, and use the Kadence blocks to build sections with rows, columns, and buttons. Always preview responsive breakpoints and adjust padding for a polished mobile experience. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for background music, voice control, and testing audio on your site demos in a fun way. It feels right at home on a desk or shelf and pairs easily with smart lights. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Tweak performance settings to minify assets, enable critical CSS, and disable unused fonts for faster load times. Use Kadence block settings first, then add minimal custom CSS if needed for unique layouts. Create reusable sections and templates for repeated elements like CTAs and hero areas to save time. Test with different browsers, check accessibility features like focus states and contrast, and export your customizer settings as a backup for easy migration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.